In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Menyoo mod menu in GTA 5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, on PC, there's actually two versions of GTA 5. There's the Enhanced and Legacy. This only works on Legacy, so just bear that in mind. But the good thing is, if you have Enhanced, you're automatically going to have Legacy on your account as well, which is great. So just make sure you have this version installed. Now, you're going to need two different things. The first thing you're going to need is the Menyoo mod, which is completely free and it's allowed to use, but it's only allowed in offline mode. So in story mode or anything like that on GTA 5, you're going to be able to use this, which is really great. And then the second thing you're going to need is Script Hook V. So I'm going to put that in the link in the description as well, but it's this website right here. You just need Script Hook V to run these mods. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download Menyoo 2.0. I'm going to hit download right there. And then I just have to click this to begin the download. It's only 5.5 megabytes, so it's a super small file. It downloaded literally instantly for me. And then you just want to scroll down on Script Hook V and you want to press download right here as well so that it downloads too. Okay, now as you can see, they're both downloaded right here. They are on my desktop. I'm just going to put them right here. Now, what I want to do is go and open my GTA 5 directory. So if you're on Steam, all you want to do is go to your local disk, wherever you installed it. Mine is on my D drive. And then from here, all I got to go to is Steam, Steam apps, and then common. And then you just want to look for Grand Theft Auto 5, which mine is right here. Again, you want to make sure it's normal and not enhanced. So all you want to do is go ahead and click on that. This is your directory right here. So we're going to start with Script Hook V. All I'm going to do is double click and open it. And then I want to go into the bin folder. And all I want to do is copy these three DLL files right here. So these ones right here. What I want to do now is just drag and drop them into my GTA 5 folder. Now with the Menyoo folder, all I got to do is double click on that as well. Two things I want to drag and drop from here is the Menyoo stuff folder and the Menyoo.asi folder. So all I got to do is highlight both of those and then drag them into my GTA 5 directory as well. Now, all I want to do is open up the Rockstar Games launcher. It doesn't matter if you're on Steam or Epic Games or anything like that. This is an important part of the process. Now, once you're here, all you want to do is go to settings, scroll down, and you're going to see Battle Eye. All you want to do is uncheck this. And now what I want to go ahead and do is just open up my GTA 5 game. Okay, so now as you can see, I am on GTA 5. I'm on story mode. I'm playing as Michael right now. And now all I want to do to open up the mod menu is press F8. So when you press F8, as you can see, there is so many different options that you can go through. You can scroll through using your arrow key. So if I just want to press players, I can just go on that, see how many people are playing right now. On the bottom, it says I can exit by pressing backspace, and then I can select by pressing enter, which is really cool. So there's loads of player options like basic stats. I can change that. Wardrobe, animation, moods, movement styles, a lot of things. There's honestly a crazy amount of things that you can use. There's even vehicle options as well. For example, if I want to spawn a vehicle and we just select a supercar right now, I can literally open and get any vehicle that I want. So let's just do, for example, let's just do the GP1, for example. It instantly spawns and now I'm inside the car like instantly. It's actually really crazy. And again, there's so many different little mods that you can go through and you'll have a lot of fun with it. You can do a full story mode playthrough using this mod pack and it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.